Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now in this contact settings we've got this option block numbers. So let's tap. Here we've got the information that we will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number, so just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that this number has been blocked. We can of course unblock it the same way, just by using this option. However, let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back, and the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings, and it does not really matter whether it will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here in the general, enter blocked numbers, and here we've got our blacklist and the number we blocked from our contacts, so the previous option worked. Here we can tap on add a number and simply enter the number manually, tap on block, and it will be blocked, of course. Here you can also block unknown numbers just by using the switcher. Your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn it off the same way. And if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.